produced in association with Vasayo Overcome Nation. Here at Vasayo, we use a binary compensation plan. Let's go over what we feel is the best binary strategy for building your Vasayo business. You build only two legs, a left leg and a right leg. To start building your business, you need to enroll a person under each leg. Let's say that this guy is your sponsor, and he places you on his left leg. To satisfy the requirements of the binary compensation plan, your sponsor will also need someone on his right leg sooner or later in order to get qualified and earn money. For now, he only has you, and his primary goal is to build a strong business. Aside from any special bonuses, each person in the business earns money based on the lower volume leg or lesser leg in relation to the higher volume leg or power leg. Remember that as we go along. Okay, there's your sponsor, and there's you. If this guy here at the top uses the strategy we are outlining here, he'll discover that his right leg will grow as expected. That is what is called a power leg. We are fast forwarding this for the sake of this training demonstration. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. This will become more apparent as we proceed with this training. He would want to place his next person on his left leg. Remember that he will get paid on his lesser leg, so the larger the lesser leg in relation to his power leg, the more money he makes. So he places this person right under you, right here. And your sponsor, the guy above you, wants to build his power leg. He places another person under you in that same leg. Then you recruit your first person. Where should that person be placed? Really, where is the smartest place to put this person to help build your Vasayo's team business? On your right leg, right here, or on your left leg, right here? You really have only two choices. You might think you should place your new person on your right leg to start to build and balance your lesser leg with your power leg. But the best strategy is to place the first person on your left leg. This will benefit the whole team. Why? Because you want to contribute to creating another power leg. When everyone does this, then it'll grow like crazy. Then this left leg becomes your power leg. So now, when you enroll your next person, place them here on your left leg, and you will have the beginnings of a power leg. Now, you can begin building your right leg, your lesser leg. This leg is what determines how much money you'll earn. When this guy here brings in their first person, where should that person be placed? On their right leg, so that they can begin to build their own power leg. What about the guy above that? Right here. Well, of course, on the strong side, the bottom of the right leg, so to build on that power leg. When everyone uses this business building strategy, it takes on a life of its own. Now think about this. What if this guy puts their first person on the weaker leg instead, which would be his left leg? And let's say for some reason, they never enroll another person. Then this guy is stranded, and he will now have no other choice but to build both his right and left legs by himself. It's not impossible. It can be done. It just makes his job that much more difficult. He is losing the synergy that is naturally built by using this binary strategy. Okay, let's move on. If this guy has not yet enrolled anyone, and they bring in their first person, where should they be placed? Bottom of their power leg. In this case, their right leg. Now, if this guy has not yet enrolled anyone, and they bring in their first person, where should they be placed? Bottom of their power leg. And in this case, their right leg. And this guy here, where should this guy place their first person? Bottom of their power leg. And in this case, their left leg. Imagine having your entire Vasayo team duplicating this strategy. It will grow in a way that will benefit everyone on your team. Now let's all commit to building our business right. And remember to always put the first person you enroll on your power leg. That way, each person in your team will have the benefit of a power leg. And from then on, everyone only has to concentrate on building their lesser leg and earn money generated by this great strategy. The inherent design of this system does all the power building for your whole team. That's definitely how we do it and how we are going to earn our money in Vasayo. Using this binary strategy together is exactly how we will be successful building our Vasayo business. Now get out there and build your business.